Hair tissue mineral testing is extremely important for assessing somebody's metabolic profile. So what does that mean? Your metabolic rate is totally different than mine. I might be a fast oxidizer, which I am. You might be a slow oxidizer, which means that you don't break down the foods as quickly as I do, right? So what we do in our clinic is actually evaluate. We take a sample of the hair, we send a biopsy to a lab. The lab interprets that data. And depending on certain ratios of minerals, we can determine what food you need. Like for example, calcium and phosphorus. When that ratio is on the lower end, we're more fast oxidizers, which means that we break down foods very, very quickly. We need to eat certain foods. When calcium to phosphorus ratios are elevated, we're slow metabolizers. So then we need to eat completely different foods. So what I believe in is biochemical individuality. What you need is different than what I need. What's one man's poison is another man's food, and vice versa. The process is really simple. As a gift to the community, we give a free wellness visit. And during the free wellness visit on the acupuncture side of the business, a free wellness visit looks like this. You come in for what I call a heart rate variability. It's not what I call, but it's a heart rate variability assessment where we're looking at the nervous system's response to stress. Now we're analyzing stress from lying down to standing, that's it. But from that information, we can actually figure out what's going on with you. How is your energy systems working? How much stress you're under that might be contributing to your symptoms. And then from that free wellness visit, we decide whether you're a candidate or not to become patients of ours. And then from there, if you're a candidate, we recommend you getting the hair mineral test. It takes about 2 weeks to get back the results. The importance of knowing somebody's hair tissue mineral analysis is to know somebody's metabolic blueprint. All right. Now, for example, if somebody decides to go on a ketosis diet, right? Ketosis diet or keto diet is high fat, low protein, low carb. However, if you're a slow oxidizer, if you go on that diet plan, you're gonna get sicker. But if you're a fast oxidizer or fast metabolizer, you go on the keto diet and you're gonna lose weight very, very quickly and you're gonna feel amazing, right? Like the Whole30, I'm a big fan of Whole30. That's more of a mixed type diet plan, which is moderate protein, moderate fat, low carb. Where say you're a slow oxidizer, right? Slow oxidizers typically tend more towards a vegetarian type diet plan, like a Dean Ornish diet plan. However, in Chinese medicine, we don't want you to have raw vegetables because this slows down digestion, right? So we need to figure out what's the best diet plan for you. Because what your diet plan is going to be a lot different than my diet plan, most likely.